Yo, free online money maker. Happy Labor Day cash out. All right, people, happy Labor Day cash out. Hope everybody's doing good out there. All right, hope everybody's grinding. Yo, continue chasing your dreams. I'm telling you guys. All right, never lower your target. Continue focusing on what you gotta focus on. All right, you gotta understand. You want to get there as fast as possible, but you want to take the steps necessary. All right, so sometimes it's gonna be baby steps. You're gonna have to have patience. And on an every single day basis, you want to grind, kick, push, scratch, claw, do whatever you got to do to get closer to your goal. You want to shrink the time it takes for you to get to where you're at now to your goal. All right, every single day basis. This is what I do. Started the channel from zero. Everything I do is 100% free, and I teach the online team. All right, people, so it's free online money maker. Do what you got to do in your spare time. We're out here grinding. Labor Day cash out. I got a Prize Rebel Super Pay Rewarding Ways and Offer Nation cash out. All right, 4 websites, 4 primetime sites that I use. All right, that helps you earn money online every single day. All right, this is why I don't show you hundreds of different sites. I show you what works. All right, let's dive into these cash outs and see if these cash outs can hit the PayPal before the end of this video. All right, so let's dive into it. All right, we got the let me refresh this just to see if I got any points here. I'm going to my refresh this right here. And like I said, people, you gotta grind. You gotta you gotta be outside the box. You gotta dream big, right? You gotta want more than what's in front of you. You gotta want more than you can handle. You want that. Why? Because you're gonna figure a way to handle that, and then you could finally level up to another level, right? Like everything I got it was too much for me at one point. This is why I started everything I started a couple years ago, 4 years ago. I started everything I started because everything was just too much for me. I literally stepped into the wrong lane. Like this is when you live your life, you gotta stay in your lane. I stepped into the wrong lane. Like I said, it's good to be a cash out video. We're just going through. I'm just showing the sites that I use to cash out. Watch my tutorial videos, people. I'm telling you, watch my tutorials video. I just posted a tutorial video this morning. My bad, I forgot to post. I was supposed to post that. I think even Friday I was supposed to post that. Like I said, crazy weekend. Summertime's winding down. It's all over. All right, September is coming up, baby. September is here. The end of September is already coming up. This is how I think about months. Like months just started. I'm not thinking about my birthday. I'm not thinking about the middle of the month. I'm already thinking about next month. Once 1 month is here, I'm already thinking about next month and trying to figure out what do I gotta do to make sure when that month get here, I could be in a better space than I am right now. You know what I'm saying? This is every single day, people. I'm on like a different. My brain is just registering differently. All right. Let's go to rewards. And how many points? I didn't think. No, I had no points. All right. So 2193. Let me scroll down here. And like I said, people, like I don't know what else to tell you guys. Like this is 100% free. Started from zero. If you're in negative equity, you have negative money right now. You owe money. You're in debt. You could get out of everything right now, but you got to be disciplined. You gotta like really understand what I'm doing on an every single day basis, all right? Like you gotta understand how happy I was just to make $2 a day every single day online for 2 months, 3 months straight. You gotta understand why? Because once I did that for like 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, I'm like, hold on, I could do this every single day. All right, that's a stream of income. All right, so now I gotta level up. Now I gotta get smarter. Now I gotta. It gave me hope. Like yo, if I could make $2 every single day, if I could make $5, if I could make $10 every single day, which is $300 a month, which is $3,600 a year. It's an extra $3,600 a year just to make $10 a day. So why not? Why not put that in my pocket? Like, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta understand on how to really grind on an everyday basis. And I was kind of wondering that too. Usually they never let you cash out twice like that. But right here, I still have a pending PayPal right here. I was trying to check in that my account. Like I could have sworn I had cashed out a 20 and never went through. This usually never happens, all right? So I'm going to contact support later. After this video, I'm going to contact support because this is absolutely unacceptable right here for me. Unacceptable for me. I'm a diamond member. I'm going to tell them I'm a diamond member. I'm going to tell them I do this all the time. This is unacceptable since the 4th. So that means I never got this money in my account. No, this is very unacceptable. So I'm going to talk to Prize Rebel. I'm going to hit them up and see what's going on. What's the delay? Because if this didn't go through, this is not going through. And I need this $20 today. All right, now shout out to my my online team with the sports band. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at free online money makers. Free _online _money _makers. Follow me on Instagram. I let you guys know anything you need to know about the sports betting. Going prime time, people. Going prime time. Going pro. So like I said, I'm gonna hit Prize Rebel up. I'm not feeling this. 1734 this month, right? 7 days this month. It's terrible. Should be at least $5 a day, right? So I'm like halfway. I'm like $2.50 a day, $3 a day on this. So this is just terrible. Like I said, every single day you want to put that work in. You want to put that work in, all right? So let me just jump into SuperPay real quick. Like I said, I want to get these cash outs in. I got some moves to make on a couple of sites that I have, some other sites. So this is what I'm doing right now, people, all right? Right now, I'm cashing out on these sites right now. I'm cashing out on these sites, and I'm gonna use it. I want to use this money for my sports book account. All right, I'm gonna use this for my sports book account. So right here, I'm gonna leave these points right here. I'm just gonna cash out the cash. I'm just should I transfer? I'll just leave it. Let's just leave it like that. Let's just withdraw the 43.22. And that's what I'm doing, people. I'm taking the money and I'm gonna invest in my sports book account. And I'm gonna show you guys how we earn even more income. All right. So like I said, there's different ways you could do things. I don't encourage my team to do that. I just show people what I do. That's all I do. I don't encourage anybody to do anything. Like, I just show you what I do, and if you need help, you're gonna do it. All right, $43.22 cash out. I'm gonna check the PayPal. That's gonna be in there. As soon as I check, that's gonna be in there no matter what. All right. There's SuperPay is literally one of the best for cashing out. It's literally in the account right now. All right. $5.95. Let me change these points right here. Convert points. Let me put 5.89. I should have refreshed it just to see if I had any points coming. I think that's 3 cents. I'll leave that. $6.37. Let's cash this out. Withdraw cash. So $6.37 plus the 43. That'd be 49 plus the change. This is round up for. Let's just round up. So it's $50, like 49 and some change. So I'll say $50. Let's go right here. Always go to instant PayPal, people. Always click that. One click of a button. Money in the PayPal. All right. Money's in the PayPal. Let's go to Offer Nation. All right. So like I said, people, this is a daily grind. All right. This one right here, I'm going to save this one because I want to do a cash out for you. I want to do a tutorial for you guys. All right. I'm going to do an update tutorial for you guys. All right. Like I said, people, I got special videos for you guys. I really, really, really want you guys to understand on an every single day basis that you can take these sites and you can make a couple dollars on them, take them and invest in yourself and whatever you have to do on an every single day basis. No days off, people. No days off, right? I'm going to jump back into Prize Rebel real quick. Let me just refresh this. Just wanted to see some couple of things here. Refresh this. And you see the lifetime points, people. Like, you see the lifetime points, all right? So, like, you can really make things happen here. But yeah, I know you see the referrals, but it's all about active referrals. All right. And, see, so something's weird here. See how this got completed? And this one's still not completed. So something's not right here. But let's dive into the PayPal and let's figure this out right now. All right, I'm all logged in here, and everything's like it went through. The $20 like went through from Prize Rebel. I had $20 from Prize. Let me see. Let me double check here. $20 from Prize Rebel. Let me scroll down a little bit here. I think I went to my payment method. I think I have to go to activity. Let me just pause this. I just don't want no personal info to come on. Let me just pause this and go to activity just to see how these. All right, all logged in here. All right, so here's the transactions right here. Went to activity right here. My transactions right here. All right, 6th 7th, 624 from that one cash out. If it's a little less, it's because PayPal has like a 1% fee for PayPal cashing out. So if you guys don't want to do that, you can always request a check. But you know, who really wants to do that? So I'll pay PayPal in order for them to give me the money right now today. I can go use it in the next 2 minutes. I can go outside and use it right now. Right? So it's beautiful. 99 Ventures again. That's so this is not Offer Nation, SuperPay. This is SuperPay right here. This is SuperPay right here. All right. This is gonna be Rewarding Ways right here, and Angelic is gonna be Prize Rebel. All right. Now you have to understand SuperPay and Rewarding Ways. They own both companies. That's why it says 99 Ventures on both. They own both. They own both sites. All right. So like I said, it's free money. It's free income on an every single day basis. If you grind and do what I'm doing, you'll be able to earn money every single day from now until you create your own side hustle or side business to substitute what I'm showing you. You don't want to use my system forever unless you're just using it to help people and get referrals. Then it's different. You can use it forever because that's an income stream that's always going to grow. It's always going to build. You're helping other people earn money, right? So it's actually helping people. It's helping the world better. It's making it better because people are getting into a better place, whether they're making $5, $10, $20 every single day for the next 2, 3, 4, 500 days. If they save their money and do what they got to do, spend it on what they got to spend it on, invest, they'll be able to build and grow. So on an every single day basis, it's all about how everything's going to go as far as what you're doing with the money. All right? Right here, your request has been processed. All right? So I already been processed, but I guess they sent a notification late. But 624, 42, 36, $20. All right? So come out to, I think, $68. And right here, let me show you, look. All right? I put, I'll cash out and I'll throw it into one of my accounts. One of my investment accounts. All right? I invested in this. I'll turn this $48.99 into more income. So it's on an every single day basis. You want to earn, you want to learn. Once you learn how to take this money and put it into something else, you could, make it grow. So it's all about you. And after that, you see right here, I have another cash out from yesterday. All right? So like I said, if you keep grinding, you keep doing what you got to do, you can do this all the time. Be careful, big guy. Be careful. All right. Close the door. Thank you, guy. Thank you, my guy. All right. So it's on an every single day basis. It's about what you're doing. Like, I'm not telling you to do this. You can just invest this into yourself and into one of your own businesses or whatever you got going on. But this $48.99 helps because I could turn this into $100. I could turn this into $150. I could turn this into something, right? I could build off that, all right? So it's every single day you want to grind, kick, push, scratch, claw, and continue to grind on an every single day basis. Every single day basis, people, no days off, all right? So Offer Nation, I'm going to do a separate tutorial on that for you guys, all right? Just to give you guys a quick, a good breakdown video on what you want to be doing on an everyday basis, people. You just want to keep building so you can get to your dreams, so you can get to your goals faster. We want to leave the 9 to 5 alone, right? We don't want to keep working 9 to 5. We don't want to keep living like this, right? After a while, this has to stop. You know what I mean? It's got to stop. So every day, people, you see me cashing out, I'm putting it towards my family. I'm putting it towards building a future as far as an asset, to go buy an asset to make sure it works for us and grows. Every single day, no days off, no exceptions, no excuses. You have to be disciplined. You have to be disciplined every day once you're using my system. And you got to understand, you got to continue to grow and put together every single day. Once you start doing that, you're gonna take off, people. Like once you start doing that, you're gonna be able to take off to a whole different level, where you thought like wasn't even like possible. Okay, so just continue to grind, continue to keep your eyes focused on the prize. Whatever you want in life, whatever the prize is, whatever you want in life, like you can get it. You can have all of it. Everything can happen. It's just about how bad do you want it. All right. Every day I tell myself I procrastinate. I could have did more yesterday. All right. I always say that every morning I wake up, I'm so mad at myself because I could have did more yesterday and I didn't. Right? Why? Because the bad habits creep in. Right? But it shouldn't be that way because I want it so bad. You have to want it so bad where there's no more bad habits creeping in, where you're just going to go 110 miles an hour every single day. You're going to just go. Why? Because one day we're not going to be here. One day this is not promised, right? We don't know when is when, right? So you got to enjoy every second, every moment, every struggle, every pain, every bump, every hiccup, every step back, right? Every failure, every time you try to do something and it doesn't get done right, right? You have to embrace that because if you don't embrace that, what's the good times for, right? So like let's start getting focused. Let's stop making excuses. Let's start getting into the whole realm of like let's create. You know what I'm saying? Let's create, let's help, and let's solve problems, and let's just continue to go every single day healthy. Make sure y'all work out, make sure y'all eat better, make sure you're doing what you gotta do, make sure you're trying to inspire the next person, make sure you're helping the next person out, even if they don't need help or they didn't ask you for your help. Be different. Be different. All right, free online money maker. Do what you gotta do in your spare time, people. You see the cash outs. Happy Labor Day cash out. Free online money. Stay focused out there and be safe. Free online money. Make it sign.